In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download music on iPhone for free with iTunes. So you can use iTunes. So what I suggest is you can simply take a link of a song and download it directly as well. If you want to use iTunes, that is an option as well. So you can simply head over to iTunes onto your laptop or PC and simply download it. So you can type in here iTunes. You can see you can access it easily. So yeah, so let's say you're using a laptop, you can head over to iTunes and download your song from there. But of course, you're going to be needing to pay for that. In order to not pay for any type of music, what you can do is simply head over to a site called Spotify Download. So you can see, you can search in here for Spotify Download, and you can use this to download the link that we just copied from, like for example, Spotify. So basically, I suggest you go with this method as this is really cheap and works perfectly fine.